High cloud in the southwest kept things quite cool on Thursday. On our satellite, you'll also see the effect of a ridging high over the extreme eastern part of South Africa, as it brought in cooler weather as well as mostly cloudy weather, and we're expecting some drizzle along the eastern escarpment on Thursday evening and Friday morning. It'll be a partly cloudy and dry day over the eastern part of South Africa on Friday, with a band of high cloud over the western parts. Early berg winds start to warm things up quite early on in the day in the west, with a warmer day forecast, and then there's a warning for a high fire danger rating over parts of the Western Cape. In KwaZulu-Natal, we're expecting a warm end to the work week with maximum temperatures mainly in the middle and upper 20s. Partly cloudy throughout the province, mostly sunny over the interior part of the Eastern Cape, Umtata topping 25 degrees with Adelaide and Bishu at 27. We head into the mid-20s of the partly cloudy day along the Eastern Cape coast, and we stick with those mid-20s as we head towards Plettenberg Bay and George, with a high of around 30 degrees for Oudtshoorn and Beaufort West, and that warning for a high fire danger rating over parts of the central Karoo. Warm as we head towards the Western Cape, with a mostly sunny day for Cape Town at 28. Highs head into the low 30s for Worcester and Robertson, as well as Vredendal, with a mostly sunny and hot forecast at 33 degrees. High cloud is expected over the western part of South Africa, with some evening fog along the west coast. A typical autumn day for the Free State, with a chilly start of the day and then maximum temperatures in the low and middle 20s. We're forecasting temperatures a few degrees cooler for the northwest, with maximums peaking in the middle 20s and a partly cloudy day. A similar day for Limpopo, 23 degrees with a mild forecast for Polokwane, and we're expecting some morning fog or drizzle along the eastern escarpment of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Bombela tops 24 degrees, partly cloudy for Ermelo and eMakazeni at around 20, and we head into the low 20s with a mild forecast for the Mpumalanga Highveld. A similar day for Gauteng, partly cloudy at around 22 for much of the province, and Pretoria warms up to 24. On our wind map, you'll see a northwesterly wind over the western part of South Africa, but mainly in the afternoon, with fresh northeasterly winds along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast. Thundershowers are forecast over the central interior on Saturday, with great weather for KwaZulu-Natal and mostly sunny and warm conditions in the northeast. On Sunday, we're expecting thundershowers over the central parts as well as into the Lowveld, with a chance of rain along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.